In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Sheets table templates. By the end, you'll know exactly where these ready-made tables live and how to access them so you can structure your data in seconds. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, look for the small grid of dots, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that grid to open the menu of Google Apps. From there, select Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once Google Sheets loads, open the spreadsheet where you want to add a table. This can be any existing document you're already working in. With your sheet open, focus on the menu bar along the top of the page. Click Insert. This is where Google keeps most of the things you can add to a spreadsheet, and it's also where the table templates are located. In the Insert menu, click Pre-built Tables. This opens a selection of ready-to-use table layouts designed for common workflows. Each table comes with helpful column headers, built-in formatting, and, in many cases, drop-downs or status fields to help you track progress. You'll see options like Event Tasks, great for managing to-do items tied to an event timeline. Project Tasks is tailored for general project tracking, with columns you can use for assignees, due dates, and statuses. Content Tracker helps you plan articles, posts, or videos, organizing titles, owners, and publishing dates. Product Prioritization is useful if you need a structured way to compare features or ideas and rank them. Recruitment Applicants provides a clear layout to log candidates, stages, and notes while you hire. You'll also find broader categories and templates for different use cases. Event Planning helps coordinate venues, budgets, and schedules. Customer Relations is set up for simple CRM-style tracking of leads and interactions. Project Management expands beyond tasks, often including timelines and ownership details. Travel Planner is helpful for itineraries, bookings, and budgets. Product Roadmap lets you map features across time or priority. Inventory Management gives you space to track items, quantities, and restocks. Recruitment supports hiring pipelines, while Team Planner helps you organize who's doing what and when. Marketing templates make it easier to plan campaigns, channels, and performance checkpoints. Choose the table that matches your goal and insert it into your sheet. From there, you can immediately start entering your data. These templates are flexible, so you can adjust headers, remove columns you don't need, or apply your own formatting to fit your workflow, all while keeping a clean, consistent structure. That's it. You now know how to access and select Google Sheets pre-built table templates quickly and confidently.